roll out an extra little bit. We'll cut her down and that should be money. Copper's there. We really only need, we'll add a little extra just in case. And this should fit perfect. Overall, that's where we'll be at. Yeah. So, it's pretty good. I'm gonna cut this down a little bit.
Isn't that cool? You just created a flange on there, didn't you?
Yes, sir. So right now, if you go to try to put this copper in, it's gonna be the same size. So you can take your copper size swedgers and just pump it with the hydraulic swedger gun, and it'll stop. Hit the little green release. Wiggle in.
And now you don't need a coupler,
And
which would be 2 seams instead of 1.
Yep, so a lot of times you'll come out on these and they'll come out, they'll 90, they'll come over, they'll 90, they'll come up, and then they'll use a coupling. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 brazes, which
7
is
leaks.
7 leaks is how I look at that. So when you get a bender and swedgers, 1, 2.